To install app files on Xiaomi 17T Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down until we find the security and privacy. Then you can scroll all the way down and select the more security and privacy settings. Go to special permissions right here and then go down to install unknown apps. Now you should be able to find the different apps that you can allow permissions to install those app files. For example, I will focus on file manager right here. Make sure to allow the source to install app files. If this doesn't work, also make sure that your advanced protection right here in privacy and security is disabled, otherwise you won't be able to use it. Now when you have that permission for the files app, we'll need to open that specific app that we granted permission for, and then in the browse we'll be able to find the downloads folder. That is the probable place where you have your app file. Here select the app file and it should begin to install. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.